Good morning. Today I've got a lifelike Proto 2000 080 steam engine to show you. I recently purchased this off Marketplace on Facebook for $130 Australian. I've got to tell you, I'm pleasantly surprised by its performance. It's got a fair rake of wagons on there, 18 of them. And here she comes around. Try and show you how there's no wheel spin with those wheels. It's doing the job. It's really well detailed too. It's plastic. I mean, it's lifelike after all, but I've never had a lifelike loco run this well before. And I'm pleasantly surprised. I'd probably buy another one. I know that there's a risk of the gears splitting, but I think that they're pretty easy to replace these days. Oh, sorry about the quality of that shot. That's not good. That is a very nice performer. I'll just turn it off. I bought a few carriages too. I'll just bring them up into view. Okay, yeah, that little brown wagon there, the Georgia Railway. The Georgia Railroad. Purchased that. That was I think that was like $5. I got the Great Northern bloody flat wagon there with the pipes on it. I remember having one of these when I was a kid in my Tyco set. It's a little thing. I think that was about $4 or $5 too. This cost me $10. It's a Bachman. What is that wagon? Automated railway cushioned load. Well, there you go. The Union Pacific. It's very well detailed, yeah. So I found it's for $10 a good addition. And I got these two Western vegetable oil wagons here, and I got a Diamond Chemicals wagon. I think they were $20 for the three. So yeah, just been ratting around on Marketplace. You never know what you can find. I actually don't mind that little brown job just for the name of the railway, Georgia Railroad name on it. I don't think I've got anything else with Georgia Railroad written on it. So anywho, I just thought I'd show you my new additions. I'll catch up with you again soon, eh? Catch up. See you later.